Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome back to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to look at the Magnus Hitch. The Magnus Hitch is a hitch knot, and hitch knots can be easily described as an adjustable loop that's tied around an anchor point like a post, rail, or cleat. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the Magnus Hitch tied around a few of these different anchor points. As a hitch knot, the Magnus Hitch can be tied around an anchor point, like in this demonstration, by first passing the working end around the anchor point and creating a loop. From there, make 2 wraps around the inside of your loop as shown here. From there, cross back and then go under your standing line before tying a half hitch. Up close, you can see that the Magnus Hitch also kind of looks like a supercharged cow's hitch. Now let's have a look at the Magnus Hitch tied around a rail. Pass the working end over the anchor point and create a loop. Now make 2 wraps around the inside of your loop as shown here. And then cross back and go under your standing line before tying a half hitch. The Magnus Hitch can also be tied around the anchor point itself. This time, pass the working end over the rail and make a full wrapping turn on one side. Now cross the working end over the standing part and back around the rail and finish with your half hitch. Tied in this manner, you can really see that cow's hitch shape. Aside from being similar to a cow's hitch, this knot is also similar to a rolling hitch. In fact, the Magnus Hitch is kind of similar to both a rolling hitch, a cow's hitch, and a Taut-Line hitch. Let's have another look at the Magnus Hitch, and this time we'll tie it around a cleat. Again, pass the working end around the anchor point and create a loop. Make 2 wraps around the inside of your loop, then cross back and go under your standing line before completing it with your half hitch. If you'd like to see how the Magnus Hitch compares to the Taut-Line hitch, then I encourage you to check out my short video, 3 Taut-Line variations next. It's only 2.5 minutes long and definitely worth having a look. I'll put a link in the description, and you can also find it in my playlist. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.